Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we unwrap the secrets hidden in plain sight within company filings, making complex financial news understandable for everyone. Today we're diving into Korn Ferry, a big name in executive search and talent management, and what they've been up to lately in their latest report. Before we get started, if you love getting these kinds of straight to the point breakdowns of corporate documents, hit that subscribe button. And for even more insights and to chat with us live, join our Discord community, linked in the description below. Alright, let's get straight to what matters most in this filing. It is all about their recent financial performance for the second quarter of their fiscal year 2026. Think of these reports as a company's checkup, with the doctor giving us a clear picture of their health. Korn Ferry officially dropped their second quarter results for fiscal year 2026 on the 9th of December 2025. Now, companies like this usually put out a press release to share the highlights, but the real juicy details, the nitty-gritty, are often tucked away in these filings with the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. This report is basically a confirmation and formal submission of those results, ensuring transparency for investors and the public. Before we dig too deep into the numbers, let's quickly touch on what Korn Ferry does. They are a global leader in talent acquisition and management, helping companies find top executives and also advising them on how to develop their workforce. Their stock is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol KFI. This means their performance directly impacts the value of their shares and what investors can expect. The most significant piece here is Exhibit 99.1, which is the press release itself. While the filing states this information is furnished and not officially filed, meaning it has less legal weight than other parts of the report, these press releases are where companies deliver their key messages about financial health and future outlook. Think of it as their official statement to the world about how they performed and where they are headed. Now let's get to the good stuff, the numbers that tell the real story. Although this filing is quite brief, focusing on the press release, it is crucial to understand what kinds of figures would typically be found within such a release. And this report directs us straight to it. We're looking for revenue, earnings growth, and what is driving those numbers. A company like Korn Ferry's performance is often tied to the overall health of the economy. When businesses are confident, they invest more in hiring and talent development, which is great for Korn Ferry. But when the economy is shaky, companies tend to pull back on these investments, which can hurt their business. So their results are a good barometer for broader business sentiment. For instance, if their revenue from executive search services is up significantly, that signals companies are actively looking to fill high-level positions, indicating confidence and expansion plans. Conversely, if their consulting services, which help companies with organizational strategy and talent management, are booming, that suggests businesses are focused on efficiency and adapting to change. We also want to see their earnings per share, or EPs. This is a key metric that shows how profitable a company is on a per share basis. A higher EPs generally means the company is doing well and creating more value for its shareholders. When we analyze this, we want to see if it is growing compared to the previous quarter or the same quarter last year. A consistent upward trend is a strong positive sign. Looking at the broader context of the talent market, companies like Korn Ferry face competition, not just from other large recruitment firms, but also from specialized boutique search agencies and even in-house recruitment teams within large corporations. Their ability to attract and retain top consultants and recruiters is also a critical factor in their success. If they can consistently deliver high-quality placements and strategic advice, they will continue to thrive. A 20% increase in revenue for a specific service line, for example, could mean they've successfully landed several large contracts, or that their client demand in that area has surged. Conversely, a 10% drop might indicate a slowdown in a particular sector they serve or challenges in winning new business. It is about translating these percentages into real-world impact to understand the company's trajectory. When we examine these financial highlights, we're also looking for any surprises or deviations from expectations. Did they beat analyst predictions? Did they announce any significant new strategies or acquisitions? These types of events can dramatically shift a company's future prospects. Even though this particular filing is short and points us to an exhibit, we know that press releases for earnings reports are carefully crafted to present the company in the best possible light. Our job is to look beyond the immediate PR and understand the underlying performance trends. Now, looking at these results more broadly, Korn Ferry appears to be navigating the current economic landscape with a focus on its core services. The fact that they are reporting these results and that these are being formally noted indicates they are maintaining their commitment to shareholder transparency. While this filing doesn't delve into deep financials, it is the signal that they are operating and reporting with regularity that is important. A notable risk for a company like Korn Ferry would be a significant downturn in global economic activity that leads to widespread hiring freezes or layoffs. This would directly impact their primary revenue streams. Conversely, a major opportunity lies in the ongoing evolution of work and the increasing demand for specialized skills and flexible talent solutions. Their ability to adapt and offer innovative services in areas like digital transformation and diversity and inclusion hiring will be key to future growth. In conclusion, Korn Ferry's latest filing confirms the release of their second quarter fiscal year 2026 results. While this document is a formality pointing to the press release, it signifies their ongoing commitment to reporting and allows us to access their performance updates. We don't have the explicit numbers here, but this filing signals that the company is continuing its operations and reporting cycle. The real story will be in the details of that press release, which we can then analyze further to understand their revenue growth, profitability, and strategic direction. Alright, that is our quick look at Korn Ferry's latest filing. What is your take on the importance of these earnings reports, even when they're brief? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this breakdown was valuable to you, hitting that like button shows your support and helps us reach more people. And if you want more of these deep dives into corporate filings, make sure you are subscribed. Remember to check out our Discord community linked in the description for more discussions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Corporate Decoder.